If you want to upgrade your cloud storage quickly and without any confusion, this video is going to show you exactly how to purchase the 100GB OneDrive storage plan step by step. This is a simple upgrade that can be really useful if you need more room for photos, documents, backups, or work files. And the best part is that the process only takes a few minutes. So if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more easy tech guides, and let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and go to the Microsoft OneDrive Plans page. This is where Microsoft lists all of the available storage and subscription options, including the Microsoft 365 Basic plan that gives you 100 gigabytes of OneDrive storage. Once the page loads, sign in with the Microsoft account that you want to use for the storage plan. Make sure you are signed in to the correct account because the storage upgrade will apply to that Microsoft account directly. After you sign in, look through the available plans and find Microsoft 365 Basic. This is the plan you want if your goal is to get 100 gigabytes of OneDrive storage at the lowest cost. You should see the pricing displayed clearly, usually as $199 per month or $19.99 per year, depending on which billing option you choose. Take a moment to compare the monthly and yearly options so you can decide which one fits your budget best. If you only need the plan for a short time, monthly billing may be more flexible. If you want the lower overall cost, yearly billing is usually the better value. Once you are ready, click Buy Now next to the Microsoft 365 Basic plan. At this point, Microsoft will take you to the checkout page where you can confirm the details of the subscription. Review everything carefully before continuing. Check the plan name, the billing cycle, and the Microsoft account that is being used for the purchase. This is especially important if you manage more than one account or if you have multiple payment methods saved. Next, enter or confirm your payment method. If you already have a card or payment option saved to your Microsoft account, you may just need to select it and confirm. If not, add the payment information requested on the screen. Follow the prompts carefully and make sure the billing details are correct. Once your payment method is verified, complete the purchase. After the order goes through, Microsoft will automatically upgrade your OneDrive storage to 100 gigabytes. In most cases, the change happens right away, so you can start using the extra space almost immediately. You do not need to manually activate anything else, and you do not have to install a separate app just to unlock the storage. If you want, you can go back into your OneDrive settings afterward and verify that the storage limit has updated successfully. This is a good final check to make sure your purchase was completed and your account is now on the correct plan. And that is how to purchase the 100GB OneDrive storage plan in just a few simple steps. If this guide helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe for more easy tutorials, and share it with anyone who needs more cloud storage. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.